On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me one huge blizzard. Sergeant Donut, why are we watching TV? We never watch TV. It's so annoying. Well, you see, Quentin, stop being such a whiny baby about it. We're just watching TV. Okay, let me tell the truth. We're watching TV just for the news. There's a big story coming up. Yeah, what's that story again? I don't know. Something about a blizzard or something. I don't know. What? Stupid. I don't even have to worry about that. Quack. Shut up, Quacky. We gotta just watch the news. Oh, guys, shut up. It's coming on. It's coming on. Okay, so our first news today in the news is obviously this weather outside. Like, seriously, we cannot have this weather anymore. You see, all the places in the world and everybody, they can't have this weather. And I'm freezing my butt off because all I have is these stupid t-shirts and these stupid shorts. So, let me get around the story. The blizzard is coming. Blizzard is coming. Okay, I'm gonna take it to Shark because Shark has more on the news. Shark has more on the news. Shark? Oh, thank you, James. Now, James, we have some snow on the news, yes, but the snow is coming down, Shark. So why are you telling us this? Because the snow's already down. Well, here's the thing, ma'am. The snow's coming down, but it's still 20 degrees outside, and I don't recommend coming outside because snow. Who wants snow these days, man? Lots of snow. It's 20 degrees outside. It's freezing. And, yeah. We don't recommend going outside in this weather. You might just have to bunker down in a house. So, yeah. Stay in your homes and you'll be safe, okay? Okay, back to James. Thank you, Shark. It means a lot that you would do that. Well, tell the story, of course. But it doesn't matter because I have to go home to my families that hate me and just don't care about me because I'm a fucking retard and nobody likes me because I can't provide for our children. Yeah, Jasmine. Are you watching the news, Jasmine? Anyways, I'm freezing my butt off, so I might freeze to death. Yeah. I'm out of here. See ya. Oh my gosh! There's a blizzard coming! No, he said on the news, in real life, that the blizzard is over. What he said was it's too cold to go outside or you will freeze to death. It sucks to that reporter because his family is a bitch. Anyways, we can't go outside. But we don't have any food in this house. Well, yeah we do. Quack! Oh, yeah. And we also have more food. Don't you look at me, man! Let's eat the stupid duck over there! Quack! You know what? You're a duck too, Quentin. You're a duck too. Oh, yeah? Oh, well, I'm a bird. So, screw you. I'm going to bed. You know what? Fine. We don't need him. We still got food. It's right there. Quack! You know what? No, we don't have food for you. We do have dessert, though. Don't you look at me, man! You're dog food! Chinese people serve you in a restaurant! You know what? Screw you! We're all food! Even Fargo is! We're cannibals, man! Don't you eat man's food! I'll eat you as food! Stupid Sergeant Donut! They don't understand me! I need some food! No! I'm going to bed! I don't sleep in the fridge. I sleep in the freezer! I'm dead! I have dignity! We have food! They're crazy! You know what? I'm going to bed. I can't sleep in here! Screw you, Sergeant Donut! Found the stupid Quack, 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 quack. What'd you say, you stupid bird? Did you just make fun of my mom and dad? Quack. That was a yes! Oh, you... Sergeant Donut, I don't think he said that. I think there is food in the fridge. Let's go look. Okay, baby, food. There is food. Chicken patties are my favorite. I have to keep this from the group. I'm hogging all this food to myself. They better not figure out. They better not find out that I have food in the fridge. They better not find out. What was that, Sergeant Donut? Oh, nothing. Man, I just have a sore throat, and all I said was, man, I miss SpongeBob. SpongeBob's gone. Even the voice actor left. Give me SpongeBob, Alan. Anyways, we don't have any food, and Sergeant Donut is probably in the snow somewhere. Yeah, probably, even though he is kind of a pervert. Anyways, we don't have any food. Nothing. Not even in the fridge. I thought there would be, but there isn't. There isn't. We're gonna die. So calm down, Sergeant Donut. We might have food. I mean, let me go check. No, that's not appropriate. No, don't check. We're okay. Yeah, we're okay. Are you sure? Because we could just eat Quacky if we want. I'm starving. Quack. Yeah, let's go eat Quacky. Yeah. Oh, yum. I like birds. I don't think you checked the fridge right. That's a little bit of salt. And wait, what? Yeah, I'm gonna go check the fridge. No, that's okay. You don't have to check the fridge. I'm gonna check the fridge. No! Oh, hey, Quentin. Hi. There's no food in here. I don't even know how to make that food. What about the freezer? Holy sh! Oh, he's gonna pay. He's gonna pay for trying to lie to me. Oh gosh, he's gonna find out. He's gonna find out so bad. Oh, I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Oh my god. I don't wanna die. Sergeant Donut! How are you doing? Good? What's wrong with you, Bongo? Oh, nothing. Hey, do you want to change the channel? Because I'm sick of the news. Hey, let me get the remote for you. Okay. What do you want? What are you getting the remote for? Stop hitting me, Bongo! No! Stop lying with me! Just too stupid! Get the fridge! Let me go find another ball. What to use as a weapon? Oh, this is perfect! Sergeant Donut! Oh, Bongo! Hey, my little friend, my only child! Don't throw that hater! You're not my dad. Yeah! God! Feel good. Time to go sleep with Quentin. Okay. I gotta apologize to Quentin. I feel bad for what I said. Hey, Quentin. I'm sorry for what I said. Holy crap, there's a lot of food. Oh, it's okay, man. I realize we're best friends in this world, and we shouldn't be mad at each other. Yeah. But you see, everybody's hogging the couch over there, yelling at each other. So, can I sleep with you in the fridge tonight? Oh yeah, sure, man. Just pick wherever you want to sit. I'm gonna just sit here. Oh, it's freezing in here. Yeah, I mean, it's not as cold as the blizzard outside and everything. Yeah. Hey, what day is this? I think it's the 16th. Holy crap, Christmas is almost here.